Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today I've got two Ferraris, two Ferrari SF90 Stradale. This is by Maisto and the Stradale Assetto Fiorano is by Bburago. Both of them are in 1/64 scale, both of them have some good details, rubber tires, and I made individual videos for both of them which you can go check in my playlist, the Ferrari playlist. I'm just gonna do a short compare video because somebody asked for it. Obviously the paint job is different on both of them because this is a different trim or a special edition. But apart from that, even if you look at them closely, you can see this one sits a bit higher compared to that one, even though both of them are 1:64 scales. And as far as I can see, let me bring it a bit closer and zoom into it. So if you look, I don't know how clear my camera can focus onto that, but I feel like the paint on the Bburago is slightly better than Maisto. It's not a huge difference, just slightly. Apart from that, both of them have good details in the front, good details in the top or rear. Same goes for the side. They are really nicely detailed on the side. They do have wheels which look similar, rubber tires, so they've got almost similar details, and both of them come with opening doors, so you can open the door on the Bburago, on the Maisto. Both of them have suspension, so they're very close to each other, very neck to neck. The only thing, as I said, I can see is that Maisto sits a little higher compared to the Bburago one, and the paint on Bburago seems slightly better. The other difference which I saw was on rear. So if you see closely, you can see that it looks like that the detail on Maisto on the rear is slightly better than the Bburago, but they're very close, very close, not a huge difference. But when it comes to engine bay and the finish here, the engine bay and the finish on these sides, I think Bburago again nails it there. It looks slightly better, slightly, and I'm like, it's few percentage maybe, not more than that. Apart from that, they look very close to each other. They are almost neck to neck, and I think either of them will be a great addition to the collection. So if you can find one, I think you should get one. I don't have the Hot-Wheels SF90 yet, so I can't really compare, but if or when I get one, I will make sure to make a short video to compare those two. Well, that's all for the day. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.